Imagine paying an invisible tax every day, just because you're a woman. Thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours lost every year, and most men don't even realize it. Stay until the end, you're going to discover everything. Today we're going to talk about the costs that many women carry without anyone really seeing them. The mental load, beauty standards, safety, motherhood, all of this has a price, in time, money, energy, and opportunities. But wait, we're going to be honest and balanced. We'll also talk about the costs that men carry. If this topic speaks to you, like it now and hit the bell. Let's go. First cost, and probably the heaviest, the mental load. It's not just about cleaning or cooking. It's about thinking of everything all the time. Groceries, doctor's appointments, birthdays, school registrations, family planning. Even while you're at work, recent studies show that more than 7 out of 10 women feel a high mental load, and many still carry the vast majority of this invisible organization. The result? Chronic fatigue, stress, burnout, and less time to advance in your career. Pause. Men often don't see it, because it happens in the mind, not on a bill. Second cost, beauty standards. Hair removal, shaving, makeup, hairstyling, skincare, nails, eyebrows. That's hours a week and hundreds of dollars a year. Society, ads, and workplace gazes put much stronger pressure on women's appearance. Not doing so can sometimes be costly socially or professionally. How much time do men spend on this every morning? Almost nothing in comparison. Third cost, the pink tax. Nearly identical products, razors, deodorants, shampoos, are often more expensive when they are for women. And let's talk about periods. Protection, pain relief, sometimes missing work due to pain. Over a lifetime, this represents between 1,400 and 3,800 euros, according to estimates. A recurring monthly cost that men will never experience. Fourth cost, often invisible, safety. Many women change their habits, avoiding walking home alone at night, taking an Uber more often, choosing housing in a safer and therefore more expensive neighborhood, sharing their live location. This is a financial cost, but especially a constant psychological cost. This constant vigilance that most men do not experience at the same level. And the biggest long-term impact, the motherhood penalty. Pregnancy, maternity leave, breastfeeding, caring for young children. Many women reduce their working hours or take a break. The result? Missed promotions, lower salaries over time, less retirement savings. In France, 5 years after a birth, mothers lose on average a significant portion of their salary income compared to fathers. Becoming a mother shouldn't penalize a career. And yet, it's still often the case in 2026. But wait, let's be honest. These costs don't affect all women in the same way. It depends on your background, your culture, your personal choices. And men also have their invisible costs. The pressure to be the main provider, a shorter life expectancy, less emotional support, more dangerous jobs. Ignoring this makes the debate unfair. Most of these costs come from social norms, not just biology. And norms, we can change them. True progress isn't saying women pay for everything and men pay for nothing. It's about making these burdens visible so they can be better shared when possible. Better sharing of parental leave, more affordable childcare, and most importantly, honest conversations in relationships. Many men don't think about these costs, simply because they don't experience them. Not out of ill will. Now I want to hear from you. In the comments, tell me, what is the invisible cost you pay the most for? Men, what surprised you the most in this video? If this opened your eyes, share it with someone who should see it, and subscribe for more content that makes you think without judgment. Thank you for watching until the end. See you very soon.